Okay, so we've let that run for a minute or two and cleaning that out. I'll go ahead and turn this water off, right? And we can disconnect that. Okay. Now, after that's drained, what we'll do is it looks pretty clear, but the pipe probably still has a lot of gunk in it. So we clean that out with the gray. So what I'll do is I'll go back to this and now that it's all finished draining, I'll push that in and I go to the gray water, which is all of our soapy water, and that should empty out everything else that we've got. Cleans out this whole pipe. Ready? So now you can see that that's just soapy water, clean soapy water. So let that drain. While that's draining, I can put this hose back. This hose we can also use to wash the RV. A little bag. Spray handle. Got some fittings. That again, I put here just because it's conveniently chest height. Once this is drained, you can see it drained. I'll go ahead and put the valve back in. I can disconnect it here. Whatever water is still left in the pipe, go ahead and empty that. Collapse the pipe. And I put it in this clear bucket here. On the side over here. Just because this is a waterproof, this is the only compartment that's kind of waterproof. Put the cap back on the sewer. Collect my little track here. Cap back on. Okay. Hold it down. And this leave over here too. Right? And then we're done.